In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format an email in Gmail with ease and efficiency. Whether you're composing a message for professional or personal reasons, mastering the formatting tools in Gmail can significantly enhance the readability and impact of your emails. Let's dive in without further ado, and make sure you pay close attention to the tips I'll be sharing, as they're designed to help you navigate Gmail like a pro. First things first, you'll want to open your Gmail inbox. To do this, simply go to the Gmail website and log in if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your inbox, which likely contains a mixture of new, read, and important emails waiting for your attention. But today, our focus is on creating a new, well-formatted email from scratch. Go ahead and spot the Compose button, usually located on the top left side of your screen. This button is your starting point for crafting a new message. Clicking on it will open a new message window where you'll input your recipient's email address, the subject of your email, and of course the email body itself. This is where the real fun begins. Now, you might have noticed a toolbar at the bottom of the Compose window. If not, don't worry, I'll guide you through it. Look for an icon that looks like an uppercase A, or might simply be labelled as a format icon. This little button is the gateway to Gmail's formatting options, allowing you to personalize and enhance your email's text to your heart's content. Once you click the format icon, a series of formatting options will appear. Here you can choose from a variety of text styles and formatting tools. Want to make your greetings stand out? Consider using a bold or italic text. Need to draw attention to an important detail? Underline it. The options are aplenty. Font types, sizes, text colors, and background colors, to name a few. Experiment with these to find the perfect combination that conveys your message in the most effective way. But formatting isn't just about making your email aesthetically pleasing, it's also about structuring your content for easy readability. Make use of bullet points or numbered lists to break down information into digestible chunks. If you're sharing a sequence of steps or highlighting several points, these tools can be incredibly helpful in making your email clearer and more concise. Furthermore, don't forget about aligning your text appropriately. Whether you prefer your text to be aligned to the left, centered, or even justified, these options are all available to you. Aligning text can significantly affect the overall look and feel of your email, so choose wisely based on the context and content of your message. To sum up, Gmail offers an array of formatting options that, when used correctly, can enhance both the appearance and effectiveness of your emails. From choosing the right font and size to utilizing lists and alignment tools, the power is in your hands to create emails that are not only informative, but also visually appealing. As a final tip, remember to review your formatted email before sending it. This gives you a chance to catch any errors and ensure that the formatting looks exactly as you intended across different devices and email clients. With these skills and tips, you're now equipped to craft professional and polished emails that will surely stand out in any inbox. Thank you for joining me today to learn about formatting emails in Gmail. I hope this video has been instructive and empowering, allowing you to communicate more effectively with your clients, colleagues, friends, and family. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy emailing, and I'll see you in the next video.